today it is quarantine day. I don't even know, but if you just turn around, you can see my dad's playing on the balcony, and he's entertaining the neighbours, which is fantastic. Today I'm going to be making some Singapore noodles. So the ingredients we have here is garlic, ginger, chilies, spring onions, carrots, onions, red pepper, green pepper, mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms to be exact, and some yummy onions. Obviously oyster sauce, soy sauce, this is optional, some dark soy sauce, yeah. So let's get cracking on that heat. We're going to use a super high heat because within Chinese cooking, like takeaway cooking as well, it's very important to have it on a high heat. So we're going to actually cook the prawns first, okay? We're going to cook them halfway, and then we're going to add them, we're going to take them out, and then we're going to add them at the end, because we don't want them to get rubbery or like, or, you know? Get that all high. Super high, a little bit of oil. So these are defrosted raw prawns, deveined, and I've also dried them so they're not very wet, because we want them dry. You're going to hear that sizzle, okay? To not crowd the pan too much. But as you can see, they're cooking, getting pink very quickly, okay? So if you want, you can season them now, but I'm gonna wait till later. Actually, no, I'm not. I'm gonna add a little bit of light soy sauce. Just a little bit to season now. And they will be basically ready to be taken out literally within seconds, okay? So now take these out, because you can see they're not completely pink. Okay, but you know, they are almost there. Okay, so just pulled out that liquid that was from the prawns. So we have the noodles here. I've put them in some warm water so that they can soften, okay? Okay guys, so we're gonna add a little bit more oil now. Just go to the pan. Okay, add a little bit more oil.
More oil?
Just oil, like cooking oil. Okay guys, and now we're going to add our onion first. Onion first, and then we're going to add our ginger, garlic, and also chili as well. Okay. Give that a little shake. So once those have softened just slightly, you want to start smelling that chili, garlic, and ginger. Oh, don't flutter out of the pan. You want to start smelling all of that, okay? Once that's done, we're going to start adding the carrots. Adding the carrots, and I've just used one carrot here. And then we're going to add in bell peppers. And then we're going to add mushrooms, and that's going to soften down quickly. And if you're a vegetarian, you can obviously just use this as the base of the recipe. You don't have to use any protein or anything like that, or you can use tofu at this point. So now that's cooking really nicely and that's starting to soften. We're going to add a little bit of sesame oil, and then going to use some dark soy sauce. This is the brand that I like to use. I'm just going to drizzle that over. Guys, I don't do measurements, sorry. As I go. And then I just found this in I just found this in Sainsbury's, so I just wanted to use it. It's like a sweet.
What's it called?
It's sweet soy sauce, which I think would be nice to add a bit of sweetness. And then obviously some oyster sauce. Yeah, about a tablespoon's worth. You can add more as we go. Okay, guys. So just want to stir that. As you can see, it's getting really coated. Okay. See, and now that's pushing down, it's starting to steam. We're now going to add the noodles. Actually, no, we're not. We're going to add turmeric powder, which is obviously what makes Singapore noodles. That curry flavour. So we're just going to add about a teaspoon, and we can add more as we go. Okay. Just add that down. That's going to dry up slightly because of the seasoning. And then we're going to take some of our noodles. Got some rice noodles here, and then it's going to start to mix that in really nicely, okay? Okay. And I've turned the heat down just to medium now. Just so I don't want to burn any noodles or anything like that. Okay, so as you can see, the colour's starting to come on a little bit, and the noodles are starting to see that beautiful colour, okay? I'm going to add some light soy sauce now because I haven't added that. Light soy sauce is for seasoning the dish, and dark soy sauce is for caramelising the dish, okay? So as you can see, our Singapore noodles are basically almost done. You're right. And okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to add our spring onions. Okay. Add our lovely spring onions. Okay, and as you can see, it's really starting to soften, and I've turned the heat down fully. And now, next, we are going to add our prawns, which is last. Anyway, so now I'm gonna just turn the heat off fully. So when people do Singapore noodles, they use egg in their noodle, like a stir fry, but we're not going to do that today, because, yeah. That's basically, just get the ingredients at the top. Just going to get those ingredients at the top, so it looks like. Guys, that's basically our amazing prawn Singapore noodles. And now I'm just going to quickly take a little bit of coriander. That is your Singapore noodles in basically under 10 minutes. And now I'm just going to try it. So you've got that dark soy sauce taste, you've got that turmeric taste, not too much. Yeah, it's perfect, quick and easy quarantine meal. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to continue to enjoy the rave that my dad's putting on in our neighbourhood. Sorry, that chili is hot. Anyway, okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, let me know. I can do more like fun videos, and shout out to my sister for recording this with me. Okay, so now we're gonna plate up and enjoy our food. Bye.